welcome to BZ Family Happy Life videos.
Our video is all about family life in sunny California, what we do for fun, and where we go to eat. At the same time, be happy and stay healthy. Today, we are taking you to our Dorado Nature Center.
Your destination.
If you're looking for a bit of nature in the middle of the city, well, this is the place to be. Parking over here is relatively easy. There is a small parking fee per car between $5 to $7. Or you can do it like me if you come very often, then pay $35 if you are senior and $60 if you are an adult. You see the bird? The bird is eating. Library anywhere on the street, and here in the nature center it's based on an honor system, so you can just grab a book and then return the book yourself. So here is the visitor center. There are a lot of parents like to bring their kids here for a short walk or exercise, or just come to the visitor center. There are so many things for kids to discover. Look what my baby's doing. The why does what? Teeth? Yeah, because it's a jar, right?
Why is it a jar?
These are all the real animal bones, like the skeleton. What's in there? It's a big egg. That said, what's the most dangerous animal at nature center? When you open that, what's the most dangerous animal? That's you. Right? See? Coming. Dorado Nature Center trail begins here. Normally there are more. Once we go across the bridge, we have a choice of walking on 1 mile trail or 2 mile trail or quarter-mile trail. Today we decide to first start with quarter-mile paved trail. And very soon we discover this trail is way too easy for us. I believe this trail is designed for people that don't have much time, or they are seniors, just want to enjoy some nature out there. So that's why they are paved trail. Look what we found. A squirrel. Journey go on a 1-mile trail today. You see the squirrel?
I need a center something.
Right there. You see the squirrels?
That one on the tree and I fell down.
They're good at it. See how fast they are?
Be careful.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful nature here. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Here's the trail. Let's stay on the trail. 小溪流水哗啦啦。Is that right here? Maybe. Bye bye. No, that's a hawk. It's like an owl, but it's like flying very high ones. Okay, let's go. Do you see the turtle and duck? Wow, how many turtles here? Look. for watching Busy Family Happy Life videos. For more happy moments,
Please like and subscribe our channel.